Adding money. When writing numerals, money numerals, there are many ways to write this. The example that we have $4.53. We can write that using a number sentence, $4.53. We have our dollar signs, which represents, of course, our dollars, and we have our decimal point. The numbers to the right of the decimal points indicates how many cents or how many pennies, nickels, dimes we're speaking of. We can also indicate that as with a dollar sign, decimal point 53, indicating 53 cents, or we can also write it as 53 cents, but never together. Let me show you what we mean by that. We have our dollar sign, decimal, 53, and cents. That's an incorrect way to indicate the amount of money that we're speaking of, so we don't want to write it in that manner. And a special note, whenever money amounts are added, the decimal point must always be in the same column. In other words, they must always be aligned. Example, when Debbie went shopping, she spent $25.65 for food, $15.23 for a chair, 50 cents for a candy bar, and $8.95 for a rake. How much did Debbie spend? Again, in reading that question, ask yourself, what is being asked here? What is it that I'm being asked to figure out? And in this case, how much money did Debbie spend altogether? So we're looking at an addition problem. So again, we have $25.65, $15, decimal point, it's aligned, 23 cents. Our 50 cents, it's aligned, $8, decimal point, 95 cents. This is very critical in adding monies. Okay, now let us just add. 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 5 is 13. 3, carry our 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 8, 9. 14, 23. 3, carry our 2. We have 2 plus 5 is 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Plus 8 is 20. 0, carry the 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, and 1 is 5. And of course, bring down our decimal point, and we see that our solution to this problem is $50.33.
This is a boat ride along the Riverwalk in San Antonio, Texas. A father and mother with their 4 children, ages 10, 8, 5, and 2, had purchased tickets for the boat ride. The regular fare is $5.25, and the children 1 to 5 years of age is $1. What is the cost of the tickets for this family? Let's do the math. The regular fare for the boat ride on the Riverwalk in San Antonio costs $5.25 per passenger. Children have a reduced rate from 1 to 5 years of age, $1. And if a father, mother, and children ages 10, 8, 5, and 2 went on that boat ride, how much did the fare cost? So let's figure. Father and mother, they cost $5.25 each. The children ages 10 and 8, they also have to pay regular fare. So they also pay $5.25. And the 2 children ages 5 and 2, they have to pay just $1. Let's add up these numbers. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 5 is 20. Carry the 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 5 is 11, plus 5 is 16, plus 5 is 21, plus 1 is 22, another one is 23. So for this family of 6, it would cost $23 to go on that boat ride in San Antonio.
Please pause the video now and complete the problems in your workbook. When finished, press play, and we'll continue with the next lesson.